there's the front door. But we still don't have a working comm channel. We can't even let him know we're here.
We could always go out and knock.
That's exactly what we're gonna do!
I was joking.
I'm not. Can you help me rig up some kind of electromagnetic interference generator?
Sure. But what good will that do except make their console squeal?
Uh-huh.
We've got power! Oh, now what? Wait a minute. I know what this is.
Remember when I was little and my dad would make us all practice Morse code?
Used to say it was the biggest waste of time in the universe.
I never understood why he insisted we learn some ancient binary pulse code. Until now.
How did you know he would?
To work on galvanamine, you have to be space-rated. Morse code is still a requirement. It was, in the readouts. Contact in 3, 2... Gotcha! Engaging retros.